Hi guys, good morning. For today's video, I would like to share to you some topics that we have learned in our Finnish language training. And disclaimer guys, I'm not a native speaker and this is very important for us as a caregiver, assistant nurse, and nurses that are applying for Finland. Okay, so we really need to know how to speak, how to use their language, because that is the very important thing to do before you can work in Finland. Okay? So our topic for today is all about Monisko. Monisko, this is a question word that proves for an ordinal number. So mones, mitin, mones, monesko, this has three interchangeable question words. So in Tagalog, pang-ilan and ikailan. So the common context for mones is the question, monis ko paivanut on. So in English, what day of the month is it? So your answer will be, or our answer will be, Kumenen ilukuta. And then it's the 10th of August. And next is you should reply with a numeric date. So not the day. For example, you will not answer today is Sunday. Okay? Next example, monis in context. So monis paibahuaman na on. So what day is tomorrow? So for example, Kadix Toista Paiva. So it's the 18th. Next is Monesko. Uritus taaon. Pang ilang subok mo na ito, or how many attempts have you had? Next question is mitten mones piliri toy uli. How many pills have you had? So ikailang tableta na yan. So you can answer kolmas or third. Next is monis paiva sun sun taret on. What day is your birthday party? So you can say Nelias or on the 4th of the month. Last one is Miloin sun sun taret on. So you can answer Periantay. When is your birthday party? It's on Friday. So that's it for today, guys. See you in my next video. And you can comment, share, and like. So that's it for the for us co-trainees who are still studying and reviewing. Kitos Palyon, this is your friend Hoy Taya Emigali. Moika.